all the information presented in this video is for educational purposes only. You can use this information for your trading decisions, but you're solely responsible for your decisions. Hello, good evening, folks. Welcome to this video on Techie Investor. Today, I wanted to talk to you about NVIDIA's $290 billion surge last week. Why did this happen? It was like a big move, and it has surpassed a lot of market caps of many stocks, right? Definitely, that was one of the biggest moves we had seen. Why? Because last week was a major tech earnings was happening, and most of the companies were saying that they were spending big on the AI and AI development. That means mostly the large language models and those things. So if you look at NVIDIA's product line, they have different lines. One is like they have the SoCs, and then they have this gaming chips, and then they have also automotive like all these EVs, chips, EV, all those kind of products. But the most standing ones that went into that are like on heavy demand is for the AI, for the training and the transformation model. That is the data center chips, which are the predominantly were A100s, and they got upgraded to H100s, and now we have H200s, and now the latest one that is coming on is the Blackwells, right? And we also have to understand that these guys internally use the Micron high memory bandwidth things. So Micron has also been going up. So definitely they will also be going up in the coming week. Okay. So having said that, I also wanted to quickly talk about, with this $290 billion surge, does it have more legs? Okay. For that, let's check up on the screen. If you can see the screen here, this is the NVIDIA's weekly chart on the top and the daily chart on the bottom. You see here what happened. One thing I was being very cautious about NVIDIA was it went to the middle of the cloud and it went to the top of the cloud on the daily chart. But having said that, last week's move took it to the above the on the weekly chart, it took it above the conversion line and the EMA cloud. So basically, the cloud is somewhere in the back. For some reason, this doesn't seem right. There is some discrepancy here. What I want to see is NVIDIA coming down to the bottom of the cloud and then going up, because that makes sense more, because usually the pattern will be once it enters the cloud, it will go to the bottom of the cloud and then it will rise up. But having said that, it need not be a big fall, but having said that, this is like the cloud is very bullish here. If you know about HMOQ, the Senko span A, the span A is greater than the span B, and even the conversion line is greater than. Conversion line is actually, if you see here, is less than the baseline. So that is a little bit of bearish, right? So if you look at it, if I draw basically the high of the NVIDIA was 974, and if I draw the line, it is like here. For me, what I'm seeing is NVIDIA should go to $617 before it gets here, or it should at least get to the bottom, which is 729 area, before it gets to it. So that's what I'm looking for. So again, on the thing, even all the tech stocks like Avgo last week went up. It has gone to the bottom. It has gone to the top of the cloud, but here it went to the bottom and it went to the top. And it has closed below this support resistance, right? That is 1341. So it is planning to go down. So now, if you see these kind of moves, so for me, what I'm seeing this week, we should see a move down for the NVIDIA to the lower level before it rises up. Of course, don't get me wrong. I still believe NVIDIA is a strong stock with the kind of income that they are getting from all these tech companies like Google, Facebook. And even we are talking about Google, Facebook, Microsoft, all spending heavily for the AI. NVIDIA is the sole benefactor. No one else is even close to them. The closest might be AMD, but they are very far off right now. So, but having said that, this move could happen very fast before it goes, just like Meta. If you see last week, the Meta went down quickly, and then it came back, right? It came back came back into the cloud. You see this? It went to 414, but it came back. So these kind of moves can also happen with NVIDIA, and there is some quick money to be made. So I'll be very, very cautious on Monday, where it closes, how it starts. If it closes below this line and it goes into the bottom of the cloud, then I am a big seller of this stock to capitalize on the move to 700. Okay, that's what I would do. So will it happen? Let's look at SPY one more time, where SPY stands. SPY, if you look at here, it has been to the 50% retracement, and the resistance line is somewhere around here. So what I'm expecting is it could go to the top of the cloud, which is around 512, before it gets, and then it might give one more leg down before it goes up. Okay, so that's what I'm anticipating looking at NVIDIA chart. So last week 290 billion surge was great. We made 5x on the NVIDIA's up move. Now looking for a down move this week. Again, that could lead to 5 to 10x, and then again making it. So yeah, it is like there are multiple opportunities to make money on NVIDIA. So it's just that we have to keep our eyes and ears open and capitalize on them. That's what I wanted to share with you in this video. So yeah, I would like, if you have any feedback or any thoughts on it, please let me know. And it'll be great if you can subscribe and give a like or feedback on our channel. Looking forward to hear from you soon, and I'll see you in the next one.